Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. What I want to do is a series of quick videos on how I prepare for power outages. So, two things I want to go over real quick because I don't have them to show you anyway, is solar panels and generators. Okay, so this is my back porch. My storage unit, my sliding glass door, and my window, and then some things I'll go over in another video. But being on the ground floor, you know, if I had a generator, I'd have to put the generator outside because the carbon monoxide could kill me. And dying is just bad times. Excuse me. So that's the one big thing. Now I don't know how I would secure it either, because I don't have any real anchor points to secure it with, and I also don't have any. Plus the fumes would go upstairs, which would be bad. I mean, potentially could be bad. Plus they'd probably complain, so I'd have to probably keep it over here in the middle of the grass. Too, also they're noisy. And yeah, and someone could walk off with it if I wasn't watching. So, not to mention the solar panels. So with the solar panels, it's like, I have to it's another thing. I have to find a way to anchor them to avoid theft. And and I can't drill into the side because I own the unit, or I'm buying the unit, but the outside is still theirs. So, I mean, I could probably check with the HOA, but I'm pretty sure it's not going to work out. I mean, it wouldn't hurt to ask, but I'm pretty sure I know what the answer is going to be. Well, you want to drill holes inside the building? No. So there's that. So if you have any thoughts to share, please do so in a comment. If you have any videos you'd like to produce, then please do so. If I'm not subbed to your channel, let me know that you made it and I'll go check it out. So this is going to be the introduction. I want to just do real quick videos and then do a few of them. Not get too engrossed, but let's stay tuned for the next one. And we'll go from there.